Hello, KBI. My name is Robert Reed. I search websites all over the United States dealing with kitchen and bath remodeling. And I came across your website, and we specialize in promoting these websites so they can do 100% better. So when I came across yours, I could see that you could use just a little bit of help. So I made this video for you. And here are 3 tips that you can use to put in action yourself to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time or waste my time either. So by the end of this video, you like what you've heard, and you can tell I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business. And if it's something that you're looking for, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. The 3 tips I'm going to give you today is content, citation, and backlinks. So the first topic is content. That's basically anything that you can use on your front page, including the pictures, and what's behind the pictures are included in that content. So why is content important? I'm sure you've heard the term content is king. You want to make sure that you have enough content on your page to clearly let Google know what it is that you do and what kind of services that you offer. Also, you want to have enough content to make sure that you're getting keywords and key phrases worked into the content, so that way it reads naturally. You want to be sure you're getting found for those keywords or key phrases that people may be searching for, because someone's looking for your services, but they may not have heard of your branding. That'd be like KBI. So that's the first tip I've got for you. Just make sure that you have a lot of keyword, unique, rich content on your homepage. You typically want to try to find about 1,500 words of content right on the front page. So, yeah, you could probably use just a little bit more, but you're doing really good. And you have quite a bit here, but I recommend adding more. Second tip I'm going to give you today is citations. So you might be asking yourself, what is a citation? And by looking up Cincinnati remodeling in Cincinnati remodeling, the keyword shows that this is what a typical Google search looks like. And these are all ads right here. People are paying for these. Now, this is somewhat of a gamble because there's a lot of people out there that choose to specifically not click on ads. Maybe they've had a bad experience with ads in the past. In 2021, a lot of people are using ad blockers. People are getting sick of the ads over the years, and they start installing blockers so that they don't have to see these ads. And then down below this is the map section. And this seems to be the most trusted area for people to snap on. And that's seems to be people used to click on this. And so this is where we find out about citations. So what is a citation? A citation is a name, an address, and a phone number. And people click on these with their phones, and it automatically gives them the phone number to call you right away. So citations are these things: a name, address, and phone number. We call them NAP. And they are things where people they're putting them on the websites in that order with their services. All it does is just give you another avenue to reach more people. Basically, to beat out your competition, you just have to go out and get the same type of directory listings that your competition has. But you don't want to stop there. If you really, truly want to beat out your competition online, you want to make sure that you have more directory listings than your competition. So in our company, we have the tools that we need to research your competition. We can find out what directories they're in, and then we can try to get you in those same ones. Now, the third thing I want to go over with you is backlinks, and what a backlink is. It's essentially another website that's giving a link back to your website so people can find you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. And so, for example, having a Pizza Hut referring back to you isn't going to do much for rankings as maybe another remodeling in another part of the state. So making sure that you have relevant backlinks that are relevant to your industry and your services that you offer will help dominate your competition in the search engine. I used Neil's Design and Remodeling to look at their page and see what kind of content is on their front page, and just to compare it kind of to yours. And they've got pretty much the same on it. And I use a tool called Ahrefs, and there it is. And basically, it evaluates each website based on the Google information that they are able to get. So they have, or you have a 20 and 64 backlinks and 38 websites using 106 keywords and getting a traffic of about 79 people is coming through your website, which is a little over 2 a day. So if you go to Neil's Remodeling and just get an idea for that and go to their Ahrefs, you can see that the backlinks are considerably more. They've got 12,000 backlinks, 4 to almost 5,000 from 4 to 5,000 referring domains, and they're ranking for 7,500 keywords, and they're getting a traffic of 1,400, and so they're doing real well with this. And you can see back here, they're only doing 79, and they're doing almost 1,400. So it's quite a bit of difference. So you can go into referring domains, and you can see how they're operating. So a lot of these domains, I'll put them in order because it's easier. The domain ratings that are high are doing a lot of good for your website, especially like Yellow Pages. But when it gets down to here, these are virtually doing nothing for it, and they don't even really need to be on there. So sometimes it's misleading that one may have a lot of backlinks or a lot of keywords, but are referring domains, and then they're not really ranking anything. It's because there's not a lot of value in them. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And if you want to work with an agency like ourselves, that's fine too. But if you don't, that's okay. But at least take these steps that I've showed you and put in your videos, and let them help you rank higher for your websites. So if there's any feedback you can give for the videos or strategies, I would really appreciate it. And thank you for your time to watch this. Have a great day.